Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Sonoma Raceway. Welcome back to MotoAmerica and the Twin Cup race. Today is the final day. We're on Sunday. It's the final race of the weekend. I'm kind of bummed, but tomorrow we get to ride right here at Sonoma Raceway for the Yamaha Day. Super excited. So let's go ahead and do the fan walk. Let's walk down the grid. Let's say hi to some of these guys on these Twin Cups. Wagner's going to be shooting some photos. But let me tell you a little bit about the Twin Cup and what the Twin Cup is. So basically the Twin Cup is open up to a little older age bracket to the people that don't qualify for the Junior Cup, okay? So we've got some old school cats, some people that came out of retirement. The guy on the #1 grid, he's on an old Ducati. He's an old dude. I mean, you know, I don't want to say old dude, but you know, he's an older gentleman, and he's #1 on the grid, #1 right here. And he's on his old Ducati. Love it. Love this bike. And then heading down to the N4 Road Racing World. And the other M4 Suzuki. And across the grid you guys might see something that looks a little bit familiar. And this is basically Wagner's future, hopefully future bike. So they're doing a little scramble, so we'll walk through the grid and see some of the twins. So we've got the Rider's Law on the SV650. So most of the grid is Suzuki, most of the grid is you know, MT-07s, but another Suzuki. And yet another Suzuki. And what's this? Oh yeah, another SV650. And a Yamaha MT-07. Very rad. Love his paint job. I believe that's some hydro dip. Very cool. Another MT-07. What's up, brother?
How you doing?
And this is so this is probably the first naked, fully naked MT-07 that I've seen. Really, the only requirement that he was required straight off the street is the belly pan. So the belly pan is the add-on. Most MT-07s don't have belly pans. So is it?
It's custom.
Can I?
Oh yeah, you may. Other way.
Oh yeah. Is this like one of your street bikes? It is.
Ideally.
Wait, this is your street bike.
Don't get to put your sunglasses on. Oh, yeah, really?
This is racing, guys. This is his street bike that he's converted into.
His nickname is Daily Dave.
It's Daily Dave? This is your daily bike. Take it easy. Daily bike, out racing, and mid-grid. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. And I was watching this guy. This is another Ducati. Love it. On the Ducati. Beautiful, beautiful mark. Absolutely beautiful bike. And one of our locals, Mr. Kim. So he ran 2 race classes this weekend. 2 he ran just in the 600s, and now he's in the Twin Cup. So very cool to see one of our local guys here on the grid. Another SV650 and 2 track days. And like I said, man, we got some older gentlemen on the grid, you know. Very cool. And heading back. Another MT-07. It's getting a little windy. And back to the back of the grid. And a metric garage. MT-07. Oh yeah. Our final Rider's Law rider on another MT-07. And out here doing it, man. Hell yeah. Beautiful. So you can see a couple different bodywork. So this is the older version R6 bodywork on the MT-07, and then you'll see that there's a couple new bikes with the new version R6 bodywork. So we're gonna make our way back up to Bogdan's bike. They were working, well, I call it Bogdan's bike, but realistically, the gentleman is gonna be hopefully building a bike for Bogdan. So hopefully Bogdan's gonna be stepping up from the R3 and into the MT-07. So I can't believe the daily driver guy. Like, what? Absolutely crazy. Crazy. Travis Wyman just came over to say hi. And here we go. He's got a fox on his head. So this is the hammer. The hammer's getting ready. So they're about to start yelling at us, telling us to get off grid. But this is, what is Jake Gagne. And then back to the front of the grid with this absolutely gorgeous Ducati. So Bogdan's personal favorite, my personal favorite. This is by far my personal favorite. He'll take it. So I'm gonna go. I gotta get over the wall, and I will give you guys my prediction. So I think Ducati's gonna take it. And I think the hammer, I want to put a hammer in the top 5, but he didn't do very good in practice this morning, so I don't know where he's going to finish. The two M4 Suzukis have been killing it all weekend, so I think that they'll be up there. I'm going to go with 1, 2, 3. I think that we're going to be, right with the Ducati, Suzuki. I think that's where it's going to end. I hope the hammer can get it up, man. I mean, I hope he can pull up a little bit. But this Ducati's just been killing this track this weekend. And I love he's got the old school style on it. So here, let's flip it around because now we can get a good view of it. Such a blast. So we got our 1 minute. So that's our cue to get behind the line. So they've got different bells. So 1 bell, the 2 minute. Tire warmers and generators got to come off. 1 minute, everyone basically, you'll see behind me right now, everyone is coming across the wall. Everyone is heading to the white line basically. And so we're gonna sit here and be with you guys for the start of this race. But I think I think the way it's positioned right now, I think that's where we're gonna finish. So you guys will have to stay tuned. Check out MotoAmerica. So they're gonna do their warm-up lap real quick. Then we're gonna race start. Woo! There are some noisy bikes out there. Babe, so there was a guy out there on the MT-07 with just the belly pan, right?
Yep.
That's his daily rider. He rides that bike daily.
That's awesome. Is that the Writer's Law guy?
That's the rider's law guy.
That's 454, right?
Daily Dave, I think they call him.
That's awesome.
So it cracks me up. So, all right, so we've got Barnes, Damas,
Jason.
and
We're rooting for Jason.
Yeah, but
Come on, we're rooting for Jason.
she's going for Jason. I don't think he's going to be able to put the hammer down today because these top three guys, they're screaming today. They're screaming. So, but it's great. It's basically the fields of I saw 3 Ducatis, and then half the field's really divided between the MT-07 and SV650. So that's what this grid's about. Now, last year was the first year that these guys came out, and the grid last year, less than 10, I think.
Yeah, it was pretty small.
And I think
Fabian ran in it.
Yeah, Fabian ran it last year with Riders Law. I think he came in 10th. Love you, Fabe.
Sorry.
But it's the truth. No, I'm just kidding. But it is. So the grid today, I think what it was, there 24.
It was pretty big.
It was like 24 on the grid. So, and like I said, you know, we saw some old school
we
cats.
have 8 rows, 8 times 3.
Yeah. So we got some old school cats, and like I said, that's what's great about this is if you don't meet the age of the little bikes, the junior cups. This gives the opportunity for some of the older gentlemen that still want to race that maybe don't have it for the 600s or 1000s. So Martin's going to be off. We're going to flip this around because they are back. And we're going to be starting this. So where's Ducati? Oh, Barnes is coming up. Where's it taking so long? Oh, he's shaking his head. Oh, Barnes is shaking his head. No. So there's Barnes. I don't think he's very happy, but let's see. The hammer's back in number 3 or number 4. All right, and let's get ready. Flag is down. And we'll watch for the lights. The lights are on. Revs are going up, and off they go. Yeah, so I think the Ducati, I think Barnes has a little bit of an issue. He got into the first corner in about 3rd position. So actually he's up in the 2nd position right now. So good start, clean start. Everyone's made it through turn 2, so that's good. But we're gonna wrap it up, man. It's been a long day. We've been out on the grid for the last 4 hours for you guys. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we're heading back to camping. We're gonna be back tomorrow here for some for track day. So we're going to be doing the Yamaha day, Yamaha only ownership day. So she owns 2 Yamahas. So I'm stealing the Yamaha for a day. She's stealing the Yamaha for a day, and we're going to be out here on the track. So it should be a blast of a day. So stay tuned for those videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for all the support. Smash that like button, and as always, leave me a comment down below. But until next video, we will see you guys then. Thank you.
Bye-bye.